Hey everybody, quick video. Look, I've had 150s before, but they've been new, and I've mainly had 120s, and I've just recognised a problem. Well, it's been over the last couple of years, but you might have recognised it, but I just wanted to give you a quick bit of information to help you save about 500, because these struts are expensive, and in our other 150, Mitch's 150, it's a bit stuffed and leaking oil. And this one, I noticed it getting really tight, and I've been neglecting it, not doing anything about it. So I just cleaned and lubricated, and I've got an idea, things you should do if you've got one that's in good condition to keep it in good condition. So one thing I've noticed is, see here, see how it's rusty? If that gets rusty, that's no good. And it could bulge up and make it a bit, tight and stuff like that. I think it's important to give this a bit of lubrication. I'm not sure what at this stage. Let us know what you've done. Help each other out in the comments, because I'm not that good at this. I haven't done much with these at all. And I know sometimes they do fail and you need to replace them. So, expensive component. There's probably an upgrade, aftermarket ones. Anything you got, let us know in the comments. I sprayed some silicone spray up there. I'd even put some CRC, put some moly coat on here, open and close the door, and it lubed it up, got it working. It was getting really tight and noisy. It's working pretty well at the moment. Key thing is just keep wiping all that excess off, because all the dust and everything's just going to stick to it. So it'll be closed when you're using it, and bada bing bada boom, baby. Subscribe, turn the bell on for more info on Prados and your vehicle. Catch you on the next video. See ya.